What's up, guys? Today just wanted to talk to you real quick about these vintage chalk markers. I absolutely love these, and I love the look and aesthetic that they give on a chalkboard. So you can see, open them up, you have a few different colors here, and in general this is what each pen looks like. Kind of take off the cap here, and you do need to shake these a little bit. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but there is kind of like a spray paint sort of ball in there that just shakes everything up and makes sure that it's ready to go. But great little pens. Every project that I've worked on with them has come out really nicely, and really have been enjoying them. So if you're looking for a great set of vintage chalk pens, check these out. I've been really happy with them. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.